Learning with Niketan. This is a part 60 for cell biology, and we will start to hear cell cycle. This is your next topic, okay, and new topic. So cell cycle is interface and control of cell division. Okay, in cell cycle we will first we will discuss about, we will study in the four types. Okay, interface and control and cell division. Second one is cyclins and other protein signal event in the cell cycle. Third one is growth factors can stimulate cells to divide, and fourth one is regulation of cell cycle. Okay, so first one is interface and control of cell division. Interface is the period between division of the cytoplasm. Okay, this is a period between division of the cytoplasm, and typically eukaryotic cells will spend most into its life in interface. Okay, so some cells capacity of divided altogether and stay in the interface indefinitely. So the example of this is these cells, humans, are nerve cells and muscle cells. Okay, other cells divided regularly, other occasionally. And the second point of this first one is, for most tissues at the any given time, only a few cells are in a mitosis and most are the interface. Okay, so what is the what is the only few cells are mitosis and most in interface, and most cells have to the major phase mitosis and interface, often referred to as the cell cycle. So the second part of cell cycle is cyclins and other protein signals events in the cell cycle. So the first point of is this: transition from G1 to S and G2 to M depend on activation of a protein called cyclin dependent kinase or CDK. What is called cyclin dependent kinase or CDK? A kinase is an enzyme. This is an enzyme that transfer. This is a transfer to a phosphate from ATP to different proteins. Proteins I am denoting to the proteins from S. This is called phosphorylation. What is the process is called? This is called phosphorylation. Activated CDK transfer phosphate amino acids or proteins that then move to the cell in the direction of cyclin. Okay, so these amino acids of proteins that then move to the cell in the direction of cyclin. Some targets for cyclin CDK complexes include protein that condenses chromosomes. Okay, so the complex of include proteins that condenses chromosomes and other that cause fragmentation of the nuclear envelope. And the last point of this, cyclin CDK defeats have been found in some cancer cells. So that these cancer cells are following a breast cancer with too much cyclin D has been found in the breast cancer. Okay, there you can there is too much found D cyclin. The protein P53 which inhibits activation of CDK is found and defeat in half of all human cancers. Okay, students. So if you go to the any theory book, then you will find out the many points of about it, but I have written the very most important point of here, or the last 2 points. Growth factors can stimulate cells of divide, and regulation of the cell cycle we will study in the next part. Okay, thanks for watching. We will meet soon.